Welcome to the 31st edition of the International Research Awards on Civil and Environmental Engineering, set against the backdrop of Agra, India's vibrant charm. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. This year, we are proud to announce Science Father as our organizer, a leading research organization committed to pushing the boundaries of science and innovation. Experience the best of both worlds with our hybrid presentations, allowing you to participate either in person or virtually. 28th to 29th of November 2025. Explore Agra iconic attractions during your visit. And for the cherry on top, we've recognized and celebrated over 1,000 plus award winners who have made remarkable contributions to the world of civil and environmental engineering. But that's not all. We're proud to have the support of 10 plus sponsors who are leaders in the field, making this event even more exceptional. With the Apply Award feature, you can nominate a profile along with your CV and your top published article. Don't miss this chance to be part of the celebration of achievements in civil and environmental engineering. Join us on 28th to 29th of November 2025 in Agra. We also celebrate excellence with 20 plus research awards and 3 plus conference awards, recognizing outstanding contributions to the field. Our paper review process is rigorous, guided by 50 plus editorial members to ensure the highest quality of research. The 31st edition of the International Research Awards on Civil and Environmental Engineering, where excellence meets recognition.